Hey guys, today we're going to do a little bit of work with being able to read graphs and answer questions based on those graphs because that is it goes across all the tests except for reading. Really, science, social studies, and math will all have graphs on them that you need to read, and you're able to interpret the data that's given in them. So this first one we're doing is what's called a histogram, and it shows the hourly wage of employees at Rachel's Cafe. Okay, so down across this axis shows the hourly wages, and up this axis shows how many employees make in the certain ranges. So like from $7 to $8, 2 employees make that amount. And they're wanting to know which hourly wage range do most employees fall between. So when I look at this, I see most of them are in this area, but they don't really have like it just by 1 hour increments. So they do this one that's from 0 to 7. There are none in that range. Then they do 8 to 10, which would be from here to here. And there are 4 and 4, so 8 employees in that range. That's probably going to be the right one. But let's check. C, the answer is 10 to 13. So from here to here, you've got 2, 3, and 4. And then there's none. Well, 11 to 13 has got 2, 1 and 2. So B is definitely our correct answer on that. So let's go ahead and do that. And before you work each of these, before I talk about them, it would be a good idea for you to pause it and work it on your own before you listen to my explanation. Okay, so here is our second one. And this one says a group of women are surveyed about their favorite color to wear. The bar graph shows the results. So women's favorite color to wear, always look at the title, look at the axis, what's graphed on each axis. The number of women are down here, their favorite color is up here. Okay, so this is a bar graph. How many women prefer purple to red? So you're comparing the number of women who like purple to the number who like red. So how many like purple? We go out from here. That's 11. How many like red? We go out to here, and that's 4. And since it says how many more, okay, what do y'all think we would do? We would need to subtract those two numbers. So 11 minus 4 is 7. So 7 more women prefer purple to red. Okay. Ooh, it looks like the same graph. So on this one, same thing, group of women surveyed about their favorite color. Which color is the most popular color? I think you all can look at this and tell that purple is the most popular color on that graph. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, this one requires a little bit more thinking. So this one shows company profit over time. And on this axis, it has the years. And going up this way, it has how many millions of dollars it has each of those years. So what the question is in which year did the net profit increase by $2 million? So I want y'all to pause this and look at this and think about it for a second. Okay, so hopefully you did that. So the only way to really tell which year it went up 2 million is to go from each year to the next. From this one to this one, it went from 3 to 4, so it went up 1. This one, it went down 1. This one, it went from 3 to 4, up 1. 4 to 5, up 1. 5 to 6, up 1. 6 to 7, up 1. 7 to 9, it went up $2 million that year. So the year that the profit increased by 2 million was 2017. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see if we can get another one of these in. Let's see. Okay, let's do this one. This histogram shows the final grades in the afternoon college algebra class. Which of the following scores would be an outlier in the class grade? So an outlier means it doesn't fall in the normal range. So 95, that would be in there. It is not an outlier. 80 would be in here. It's not an outlier. Oops. 50 would be in here. It's, not an outlier. It's in the data. But 12 would be way over here, and that would be an outlier. So that would be the answer on that one, 12.